Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yubraj. As usual, today also I'm here to analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. It's a weekly update from 17th October to 21st October 2022. How did you do last week? I believe that everybody you became profitable last week, and then this week also you should be profitable. Do you have any planning how you are going to trade this week? If you have a planning, just compare your planning with this video. If you do not have, just check it, and then I request or I advise you to trade based on this video. Take this video as a reference, do your own research, and then trade carefully. Okay, so I think that everybody you know that the market is in bearish mode, and it is still going down, and then it is not a good time to start buying or holding buying position for the long term. That is the one of the major suggestion for this week. And next thing is that this week it is very likely to be sideways and not like going down or not like going up continuously, because last week it fell down some points, and then the investors they are quite worried about the possible interest rate hike. Okay, 0.75 interest rate hike, that is highly possible, and that is on first week of November. And all of the investors they have concern about that interest rate hike, so that it is unlikely to go the market up. That's the reason. So you should understand that in every rise you should have selling opportunity. So sell in every rise. Okay. So at the moment the market that is in 10,680 this level. Okay. And yeah, probably because of that sideway, there is an immediate resistance level in 10,750 this level, and if the market cross this level, then it is highly possible to see 10,900 this level. We can see up to this level, and it is very difficult to cross this level 10,900. Even if it crosses this level, another major resistance level that is in 11,200, and it is highly unlikely to cross this level. These are the resistance level 10,750. If it crosses this, then you have a buying opportunity, and then your target that will be 10,900, and from that level exit, and then see if it cross, it will attract some buyers, so that you don't sell from this position if it cross. But if it doesn't cross, then it will be your selling opportunity, and again next selling opportunity that will be 10,700 level. This is another selling opportunity, and your target for this week that will be 10,500. Okay, and if it cross this level, next target that will be 10,300 level, and another target level that will be 9,800 level. That will be another huge target level. But this week it is highly likely to be sideways, and then in between 10,900 to 10,500 this week. Okay, so if it 10,500 level and doesn't cross this level, buy from that level, and then target that will be 10,700. Okay, and next target 10,900, and then wait there. If it doesn't cross from that level, again sell it. First target 10,700, next target 10,500. Okay, do this way sideways. So this week, it is highly possible to be sideways. Okay, so let's take some data. What type of data are going to be released this week, and then I will come back to this chart again, and then I will analyze further. Okay, so now let's go. Alright guys, so this week on Monday there is no major data, Tuesday also there is no major data. So if there are no major data, then a market can be very slow, there will be low volume, and then probably there will be sideways also. Wednesday building permits, crude oil inventory, Thursday initial jobless claim, Philadelphia Fed manufacturing index, existing home sales. Okay, and Friday there is no major data. Alright guys, you have to check the data, and the data, they are going to be moderate. Monday, Tuesday and Friday there are no major data. It signifies that all of the market that will be driven by the sentiment. Okay, so at the moment the market sentiment that is bearish due to the possible 0.75 interest rate hike, that is first week of November. Okay, so now let's go for the selling side likely to go 10,500 level, and crossing this level will touch 10,300 level. You need to understand that. So resistance support level that is in 10,500 level, and if it crosses, then it is highly possible to touch a 10,300 level. Opening gap, okay, possible opening gap down in as it opens. Okay, so if it is opening gap down, then first we can see 10,500 before seeing any positive or any bullish move. Support level at 10,500 level and 10,300 level. Okay, but if it is not opening gap down, then at that time we can see some pullback, okay, up to 10,750 level. If it cross that level, next that will be 10,900 level, and from that level it will fall. Now let's take some positive side. Positive side, buying opportunity at 10,500 level. That's your buying opportunity. When it goes that level and does not cross that level, start buying from that level. And 10,750 level, that is also another buying opportunity. If not opening gap, okay, if not opening gap down, buy above 10,750 level. Okay, wait until it crosses 10,750 level, and if it crosses, then buy with the target 10,900, 150 points you'll get. Okay, crossing 11,000, remember, crossing 11,000 will attract some buyers and will possible to cross the major resistance 11,200. So that as it crosses 11,000, just be careful. Okay, be careful and check whether it crosses 11,200 or not. If you sell, just put your stop loss just above 11,200, but as it crosses 11,200, then the movement or the trend that will be changed for short term from bearish to bullish. Okay, so you need to understand this point also. All right, now let's go for the general review or the summary or the prediction of the week. Okay, all right guys, the prediction of the week, the market has entered the bearish mood, which is likely to touch 10,500 level. But crossing 10,750 will lead to 10,900, and crossing this level will see market the major resistance 11,200. Okay, this week it is highly possible to go sideways market. Okay, weekly data are expected to be moderate, but rate hike on the card has affected the investors' sentiment. That's why the market will be driven by the investor sentiment, and the investors' sentiment at the moment is bearish. Support level 8 10,500 level, 10,300 level, and next 9,800 level. Sell in every rise until 10,900, but crossing 10,900 will attract some buyers. Alright, so I believe that this video is helpful to you analyze and predict Nasdaq 100 future. Before making any decision, do your own research, take this video as the reference and trade carefully. If you like this video, thumb up. If you have any question, write down in the comment box and subscribe the channel so that every week you'll get a notification and then you never miss this type of educational video, and it helps you to maximize your profit. Thank you for watching this video.